Hi, Geordie Dave here. Another update on the allotment. I'll give you a quick look around what we're up to now, and then later on I'll show again. I didn't have a one last week because I was away to Scotswood Community Garden Centre, so I'm going to tag some videos on the end of this, and so I can plug their community garden centre, and I'd like to thank them for letting me go down and have a look around. Okay, we'll have a quick tour around now. Okay, I'm standing at a nice vantage point where you can see right down the allotment. You can see the lads doing some weeding and digging down there. We've now got the centre piece clear and we're starting to dig it to get rid of all the brambles. A lot of hard work to be going on for the next couple of weeks. I'll show you later on where we're sort of getting up to, so catch you soon. Right, today we've dug this over, levelled it because we're going to decide that's where the polytunnel will go. We can clear on some of this, did it all along here. Load of more rubbish in bags over there. This place is just a collection of rubbish, but we're slowly eventually getting there. So now I'll take you another flick around the plot. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll do another one next week, and I'm going to tap on, as I said before, I'm going to tap on in there some photographs of when we went to the community garden, and I'd like to thank Scotswood Community Garden for allowing us to be down there and take some photographs. So if you enjoyed this channel, please subscribe and a thumbs up. Goodbye from now, Geordie Dave signing off.